Hello, Johnson Creek teachers. So you got an email from Brett about how we're going to take daily attendance, and he gave directions on how to copy the form and make it so your first name, or I'm sorry, your last name, and then what class you're doing is on there. So that's all I did here. Made sure it's reading the same up at the top of the page just to not confuse students. Uh, so what are you going to do with the responses? I just wanted to share how I collect responses from multiple sheets because I think this could really help you out. So the first thing you do on your first spreadsheet, your first forms, is you're going to create a new spreadsheet. So let's create that. Now this might take a little bit where the computer thinks and as it's creating your form. And up here it has all the things that it's collecting on including time sent. I told it to collect an email address simply because that way if a student forgets to put in their first and last name or whatever, at least I uh, can know who it's from. As long as it's working here, you should really just wait until it stops working. Like, not like stops working, but like stops thinking. So we're gonna set this up so it's all on one sheet and with multiple tabs. So if I'm going to change multiple tabs, I really should put the class name. I'm just going to put Core 1 because potentially Neil has to take a look at these for us. And if I'm sharing with elementary, uh, I guess Miss Enger, I'm not sure who might take a look at these. So it says Core 1. And then up here, you're going to want to change the entire name of this because you're going to be putting more. Doesn't really make sense to put just Orange Core 1 on, or just delete that. So that way it says Peterson, daily attendance should be easily found. And you can check the shared because I already created a folder for this. It's already shared with Neil for me because it created a new um, sheets in that one folder of attendance. So done. We don't have to do that anymore. So how do we put the second form and multiple forms onto the same one? So I already created the second one. Here's my Orange Core 2. Just go to the responses, create a spreadsheet. Now we don't need to create a new spreadsheet. All we need to do is select existing spreadsheet. And when we do this, the first one that should come up here is the one you literally just created. As long as you do these really close together, it should be easy to find right here. Otherwise, you might have to search in the names, okay? Because it does it by order of making it. So it opens up another copy in a different tab up here. Okay, I like to keep a lot of tabs up there. And it keeps thinking. There it goes. You'll see down here it says form responses to. It just says it's the second form it's collecting from. When it's done working, I can rename it to Core 2. And there we go. Now I have two of my classes on the same spreadsheet. So I can quickly just open up the one and go between the tabs and take attendance each day.